Hey everybody, another quick update on the 69. Been working on it a lot, so I'll turn this around real quick. We've been working on getting the lead fill smoothed out. Still some more work to go, but the fiber fill has done nicely. Gotta get some lightweight in here and feather it in and everything. Got the whole roof sanded down. Trying to decide if I want to take it all the way down to bare metal, because there is quite a few layers of paint from over the years. Probably looks like 3 different color changes. So there's at least 4 layers of primer, if I remember correctly. So it looks like it's been the original color twice and then a brighter green at one point as well, from what I've looked at. So there's quite a few layers there, so I'm possibly going to take it all the way down to bare metal just to, thin it back out and make sure we don't have too much buildup on the roof already. So some work to do there, but as you can see, this side is starting to shape as well. A lot of work done. I got my drip rails installed here, and I got a lot of more seam sealer on these little edges and down the inner section of the B pillar. So we're making progress. It's slow and steady, but haven't really did a whole lot of recording just because it's some just tedious processes and nothing exciting. I might do some for next week. Lots of work to go, but I'll get to it, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.